Hopefully that sun pops out, so that cloud will blow over in the next half hour or so. Make it a bit easier to spot. Oh, flying solo today. Done a couple of trips recently, a big trip with my partner and that, up the gorge a couple of days ago. So she decided to stay home, but not me. Back out in the water again. Got a few weeks off work, so why not make the most of it? Should be some good fish in the Stretcher River. I just got on the river looking. Oh yeah. Looks like I've spotted my first fish. You won't be able to pick them up on camera, but I can see them quite easily through my Polaroids. Not bad, probably maybe 3.5, 4. That can be deceiving, seeing them in ripply water like that. Oh well. Might as well set up my rod, I think. Oh, he just took off the surface there. Just see him take something off the top. Might go off the dry dropper. It's not too there, is he? Not really what I want. Right. It looked like there was another fish on the other side, but no, I don't think so. Just keep that, put that one to his left. See if it come over. Just took something from the top then. He's coming over actually. Oh, had a really good look at that. I thought he was going to take the dry at one point. I don't want the nymph though. This time. Got him. Got him. He sort of waited well. Long time before he decided to take it actually. Just the fact that kind of looked like it setup went past him. I decided to take it last minute. There's potential snags in there too, so be careful. Kind of try and get them down here. Definitely. Not a bad fish at all. It's not a lot better down there to be honest, but probably here would be alright. Keep the side pressure on him. He's trying to take me over there. You know that. Oh, Sage X getting a good workout. That branch hanging there, I don't know whether that's lying on the riverbed floor or not, so putting a lot of pressure on him. 4-pound line. Putting up a reasonable scrap. Got him. Nice. Not bad fish, starting the day. Not bad at all. Gee, he's a bit banged up in the tail there too, look at that. Something's taking the light out of them. Eel perhaps. Not bad condition. Tail a little bit thin, but it's being picky for start of the morning, and what do we got? About 4 3/4. Can't complain about that. The water's cold. Nice fish to start with. Looks like he's been battered a little bit, but nice fish. Get him away. Nice. Hopefully it's a sign of things to come. First pull come across. I'm sure there'll be a lot more up further. Not a bad stretch of river. Alright, got to sneak around here. There's a fish just on the right here. On that inside channel of the current. Just sitting there. I really wanted to shoot upstream. There's a few snags around here, but particularly up there. Good cast. Over to that too. Actually quite like the drift that time round. There we go this time, going over him. Got him. Follow him. So, stay down here. Nothing of snags. I don't want to get under those things. Oh. Not bad. It's quite hard to get that drift, but he liked it just as it was going to the left of him. Bad. Fair fish. You can get them in here. Might be able to tail them if I'm lucky. Nice. Yeah, bang on 5 pound. Slightly bigger than the last one, just better condition. Just gave him that extra bit on the scales, I'd imagine. Not bad. Couple of fish to start the morning. Decent browns. He's starting to kick. He's all good. Tail swaying away there. The fish feeding right at the back of this pool here. You could probably say I'm being rather optimistic about casting at it, considering you can look what's behind me and what's ahead of it. The chances are not looking good, but That's why we do it though. Give it a go anyway. But if I do hook it, I've got no choice but to try and really put the guns to him. Even if it means losing the fly or not, try and haul him in, because he's going to do either two things. If I'm lucky, he may just go towards the bank. But if he goes down, I'm screwed. If he goes up, the same result. But we'll see what we can do. No. Oh, there's two fish actually. There is. Actually one. Just noticed it then. The one I was aiming for is actually aiming for the second fish now. Right. I've got to get him now. I've got to get him. Tell you what. Jesus. If I can get him over here, I've done really well. So far I've managed to maintain him, but I'm putting a lot of pressure on him. Oh, here we go. This is where we're going to end. Oh, he's still... I don't know how to manage it. He hasn't really gone. These are done well there. Oh, I really had to put the guns to them really well, considering. Really happy about that. Oh, great condition fish. Yeah, there was actually two. The one I only just seen the one at the back, and I was casting at the one slightly ahead of him. It's only a couple of feet ahead, and then just changed my mind last second. Well, I just seen that it didn't really matter which one, but fly drifted nicely for this one. Oh, he's gone. Didn't even get to weigh him. Well, he's landed. Main thing. Probably about 4 pound. That's right, you've seen him. I didn't get owned after all. Didn't really fancy my chances really, but he did behave reasonably well. He didn't shoot up or down. Kind of threatened to go up there for a start. I mean, towards the end of the fight, I just managed to I was putting a lot of pressure on him. Managed to contain him. Well, so far 3 from 3, so far unscathed. Disappointing sight ahead of me. There's another angler. Probably going to have to turn around and go back and go somewhere else. I haven't seen another fish for quite a while since that last one. And unless there's one in this pool here, well, depending on where he started. It's unfortunate. It's the trouble with some of the rivers that have access points reasonably close together. That can happen. Might have to take a detour, and here's another stretch of river. Same river, just further down. Might have to, well, hopefully there's no one there. Beautiful spot. Alright, getting away from them snags. Yes. Swam into it, neat. Yep. Sore mouth on him, I was giving it to him. Had to. Nice and fat, look at the condition.